So I believe this is a new fragrance brand or fragrance house that's coming out in South Africa at this stage, and it's called Wadi Al Khalish. Now there's a whole range that's out at this stage. I got hold of one or two bottles, and I want to do a review for you. I smelled the first one very recently, and it's actually very nice unisex fragrance, but it tends to go more over to the ladies' fragrance. Now this one is called Kumar Caramel. Now, Kumar Caramel is a very delicate fragrance, but has actually got the nicest notes in it, and openings and middles and bottom tones that you'd be surprised, and you'd imagine just how this smells. And this fragrance smells delicious, seriously delicious. So it opens with a caramel and milk, and in the middle is a tonka bean and honey, and it closes with a vanilla white musk. But it smells very delicate. It smells so beautiful and sweet, but it's not over sweet. You'd think you had a caramel, and you think, but it's not. It's actually not that sweet. It's just a nice, beautiful, subtle fragrance that would last at least 4 to 6 hours, and you'd enjoy it. It's such a beautiful fragrance. The vanilla and the white musk tends to overpower at the end, but that's what you're going to smell anyway on the bottom tones, because those are the ones that last the longest. And I'm honest, this is a beautiful fragrance. Then next, I've got Kumar Vardi. Now, Kumar Vardi is now a different type of one. This is now a more sweeter with a strawberry raspberry opening and a middle note of rose and jasmine. And it closes with vanilla, musk, and amber. Now, very sweet in the beginning, and it just tones down immediately. And that strawberry and raspberry is just perfect. It's such a perfect combination. Then the jasmine, subtle rose, but it's very beautiful. This is a stunning, stunning fragrance. And I promise you, the next ones I will definitely do as well. Now, these are beautiful fragrances. Pick them up at the Luxurious Perfumes. I'll put their details down at the bottom, so you can give them a call or a WhatsApp, arrange for them to sort you out and send these to you, because they've got a couple more, which I will also review in the future. But for now, Caramel and Vardi, beautiful fragrances. You'll enjoy them, and it's very nice, long-lasting, and stunning fragrances.